In today's video, I'm going to teach you to use Affirm on Expedia. If you've ever wanted to lock in a trip now and spread out the cost, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it safely and confidently. Affirm is a buy now, pay later option that appears right inside Expedia on eligible bookings, letting you divide your total into manageable payments. You can do this from a computer or your phone, and the steps look almost the same. Start by heading to the Expedia website and picking out what you want to book. This can be a flight, a hotel, or a bundled travel package. Take a moment to review the details before you move on. Confirm traveler names, dates, room or fare types, and cancellation policies. Prices can change quickly, so when everything looks right, continue to the booking page. Next, proceed to checkout. Here, you'll see a full breakdown of your total, including taxes and fees. Double check that everything matches what you expect, since this is the amount used to calculate your payment plan. Saving your itinerary to your account makes future changes easier. On the payment screen, choose Affirm as your payment method. If you don't see it, the option might not be available for that specific itinerary or price point. When it is available, select it to continue. You'll be asked to enter a few personal details, so Affirm can run a quick real-time approval. This process usually takes just a moment and won't finalize anything until you pick a plan and confirm. Keep your information accurate and remember that availability and terms can vary by location and booking. Once you're approved, review the payment plans offered and choose the one that best fits your budget. You'll see the number of payments, the amount due each installment, the schedule, and the total cost, including any interest if it applies. Take a second to read the terms so you know exactly what you'll pay and when. Finally, return to Expedia to confirm your booking and complete the purchase. You should see a confirmation screen and you'll receive a booking confirmation from Expedia. Affirm will also share your repayment schedule and due dates. Consider turning on reminders so you never miss a payment. And that's it, your trip is booked and you're paying overtime with Affirm. Enjoy the flexibility, travel with confidence, and if you ever have questions, Expedia's and Affirm's support teams can help with booking or billing specifics. Thanks for watching and have a great trip.